you're holding the flower. So you can put the flower on the base, right? And then you're gonna go next to Josh Lynn. Okay? Then Reina Caridad.
Go here.
Iana Rosas. Wow. I mean, what do you call it? This is the other princess. Look.
Nagawa na niya.
Okay, and then you have the flower.
You offer it to Mama Mary.
You offer to Mama Mary. This is Mama
Ay,
Mary.
pinag-pinag. Bloated si Mama Mary. Masensya na.
Okay, and then you go. You go. Iana sa susunod na ha. You're the next one.
Reina.
Reina Luna. Flower. Okay.
Dapat yung white
Reina de las Estrellas. No, that's not Reina de las Estrellas. De la Paz. De la Paz. Natalie Sugar. And then you have the flower. You're going to have the flower over here. Bring flower from Mama Mary. And then you go. Next to Venus. Okay. Walk slowly, okay? Walk slowly. Reina Tropetas. Reina Tropetas.
Your feet, cross. Look. There. Yeah.
Hold on. Wait for your...
The flower. And
Okay,
offer the flower.
offer the flower.
You're holding the flower.
Holding a flower. Let's practice it with the flower. Where's the flower?
Nalaman na nila yun kasi hawak nila yun.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, it's okay down. Okay, Ruthie, so after you take a bow, you give the flower, okay? And then you go follow Natalie, okay? The back of Natalie, okay? Next would be Reina del Cielo. Okay, so everyone, you both boys will take a bow, okay, and then you do your, there you go, and then you come forward. You guys stay there, both of you stay there, okay, and then you, there you go, and then you walk. The three of you walk. Yeah. Okay, Reina de las Torres, Elisa Sugay. Okay, and then after that will be the Tres Marias, Janice, Jane, and Princess. Sino si Mama Mary? Mama Mary should be in the middle. Sino si Mary Magdalene? Si Jane.
Yung may
Yung may perfume. Ikaw,
something.
no, okay. Tres Marias, Jane will bring the bottle of perfume, and then Janice will bottle of oil, right? Ikaw ang oil, tapos handkerchief ka. There's three of them. ask everyone to please stand for our Reina Elena.
Uwi na! Uwi na! Ginalingan eh.
This is our first time. In the yes, you will go. While you're walking, matagal mo yung lakad mo kasi we will give you the history of Santa Cruz. Why are we doing this?
Oh, galing ka doon sa labas.
Tawag mo si Constantine.
Galing ka po ng summer.
Galing ka doon sa may ano, sa may Roosevelt. Mag-umpisa ka sa Roosevelt.
So habang naglalakad ka, sabihin natin, Reina Elena, which is the mother of Emperor Constantine, was the one who found the true Holy Cross
Mahina
of
talaga yung lakad ko.
Jesus.
Kasi ang practice.
Introduction lang. Reina Emperatriz is the mother of our Reina Elena. Pero ikaw yung highlight kung bakit kayo may Santa Cruz. And why are you holding a cross? Okay? You're holding the cross, the crucifix of Jesus. And during those times, when he discovered the cross, he healed miraculously one of the slaves of Reina Elena. And the cross was chopped into three. One was brought to Jerusalem, which is now in the coming September. And then the other one was brought to Constantinople. Okay? So we will give you history. So can you start all over? Let's start with Jason. Let's start with Jason. Our main celebrant for tonight is our Reina Elena, Delpha Soron. No, they're doing the history night. Tama yan, tama. And then you walk. Our main celebrant, our Reina Elena is Delpha Soron. And then I will give you the highlights. I will give you the highlights.
Parang mas maganda kung si ano lang ang ate, tapos silang dalawa ang Maria.
Meron kasi si Mikaela.
Umalis na maaga sila, apat siya. Nagmamadali sila Melo.
May pupunta ka.
Kailangan na.
Kaya siya na lang inano. Kasi pag pinasama ko siya, baka